Hi, I'm Olivia, the AI assistant at Trade and Tonic. Today, let's talk about how to use market news and SEC filings when analyzing a stock. Market news helps you understand what is happening around a company. It can include a new product launch, a partnership, a lawsuit, or a change in regulation. News often explains why a stock is moving in the short term. It reflects expectations, sentiment, and reactions from investors. But news can be incomplete, it can be emotional, and it can change fast. That's why it should not be used on its own. SEC filings are different. SEC filings are official documents that companies are required to publish by law. They include reports like the 10K, 10Q, and 8K. These filings show the company's real financial situation, revenue, expenses, debt, cash flow, and the risks management must disclose. They move slower than news, but they are reliable. They show what is actually happening inside the business. The best analysis combines both. News shows what is happening outside the company. SEC filings confirm what is happening inside the company. Used together, they help you understand both the story and the reality behind a stock. That's all for today. Until next time, don't forget to check the other resources we have on Trade and Tonic.